Then so when you're talking about any topic or plan to write any subject, right? It is always better if you can find out what people are actually seeking for. So there are many people are actually looking for some kind of help, right? Everyone is looking for some kind of help. Starting from the students, right? Students need help in, what subject to be picked, right? What subject they should select going forward, right? After the 10th standard, right? Which subject to be picked up, what technology they should learn. Starting from the students, right? Everyone is having a question mark.
I
If we
have a
can,
doubt.
yes,
This Answer the Public as well as this SEO Explorer are both the same or different?
SEO?
Explorer,
No, I didn't see that. What is it? Uh,
because
see,
it was offering 1 week free of no trial.
okay. No, SEO Explorer, I have not checked it. But yes, maybe if that is giving you better results, you can try that one. So, what I'm trying to say is try to find out what people are actually seeking, right? What people are looking for. If you see that one, right, then it will be easy for us to write the content in their own requirement. I mean, in their own, how they will understand, all that we'll be able to understand that. Yes. So how you will know what people are searching for is one is answer the public, or like that you pick any topic, you'll be able to understand, you'll be able to come to know what people are seeking for. Maybe you're teaching about one academic subject, right? Chemistry or mathematics, like that, right? First, if you try to go and find out what people are actually seeking for, then it will be easy for you to give them the right information, right? That will obviously help you, getting the things how people are seeking for. Say, I'll show you one example here. Hi Aruna, can you hear me? Okay, hi. Fine. I'm sharing my screen as well. See, already I asked you this question, right? What are the top search engines we have?
Google, YouTube.
Right. So one is a Google and second largest search engine is YouTube. Now, whichever content you plan to prepare, right now you guys are already getting comfort with the how to create poster. Next level, what we do, the same thing we'll try to create in a videos as well. It can be, for mobiles as well as, for Facebook, YouTube and all, we'll try to make videos. So when you're making that, we'll be able to identify what people are actually searching for. These simple tricks, right, will give you a lot of edge for us. For example, if you just put how to, right, see this one. How many options you getting? How to remove background in Photoshop, how to add subscribe button on video, how to export video in Premiere Pro, how to start a YouTube channel, how to take photos like a professional, how to use OBS Studio record screen, how to delete Instagram account, how to get Golden Magazine, how to start YouTube with 0 subscribers. Um, See, how to go live on YouTube with 0 subscribers. Now, these many suggestions are coming. That means, um, fall in Free Fire. Maybe if you're talking about how to say, um, guys, give me some clues. Okay, how to Fine. How to race a manual car? How to race in GTA 5? How to race in a free fire training? Car parking multiplayer, right? So you might be any topic you pick, right? Maybe there are two girls also there, so let me pick some topics for them. So see, Bindu,
Yes, sir.
you're able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Aruna, you can see the screen, right? Now quickly tell me, in this, how many topics you can answer? Each of you.
How to cook Maggie, sir?
Seriously? I thought that was my answer. Okay, but I'm good. I mean, I know this. I know, first ones.
I think Maggie, everybody knows.
That's what. So I know the second one. Okay, I know also curd rice, right? So see, these many things people are looking for, right? So today I was actually going through one channel. Uh, I thought of sharing with you guys actually afternoon, but see, this channel is started by what her name? Bhargavi or something, I think her name, right? So on technical one more channel, they invited her for some kind of discussion. And see, she's having like 1.94 million. That means almost 2 crore subscribers, guys. Right? Her first, I mean, in that interview, they asked the question like how you started. She said, it's just like a general topic. Her mom saw one paper advertisement, it seems, or paper, some news she saw that, people are starting YouTube channel and they're making good things. So her mom asked her to, why don't you start? So she started with the basic. She didn't even take that seriously, but slowly she started giving, information. Let me see if I can get that interview.
Before
Yes.
that, I have a question. I heard people are making money through this YouTube views.
Okay.
You know how is that?
Okay. If for that you have to give me money first, if I have to tell you. Okay. So see, once you have 1,000 subscribers, there is a threshold. Okay. There is a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If these two, if you can complete that, right, then YouTube will start paying you automatically. Okay, now there are multiple ways. Actually, that covers in affiliate marketing as well. But see, this is the link, guys. I'll send that link in the group. Maybe you guys can actually go through. Okay, I sent already. So just go through that, interview. Maybe you can just skip maybe first 5-10 minutes and see. She'll be explaining how she started the YouTube channel, and she's having what 1 million subscribers, guys. Sorry, right now she's actually reaching 2 million subscribers. Right? That means what? It's like huge, right? The moment she posts something, 2 crore people are actually watching that. Right? That much follow-up she has now. So, okay, so for Arun's question, Arun, there are multiple ways in YouTube. One is from YouTube.
Ads. Ads.
That's what I'm actually coming to that. So from YouTube, how it starts is you should have 1,000 subscribers first. Then you're going to become a partner with YouTube. 1K subscribers. Then you should have a 4K watch hours. Okay, these are the two conditions if you want to get revenue from YouTube. Okay.
Okay, that's why I think people ask, no, please, when if you are a first time viewer, please click the subscribe button and click the bell button.
Exactly, right. So if you see, right, I mean, see, this is one channel, and she's very simple. I was thinking like 2 crore followers are there, so she'll be like too much technology and all. No, whatever she has gear or, in the sense basic thing and all, she's doing that. So she is one. And this is my cousin actually. Okay, she's a chemistry lecturer. She's already having 4 lakh subscribers here. Okay, I accidentally met them in Bangalore. I realized, and they stay nearby. Okay, now I think she have like couple of months back, she has 3.5 lakh subscribers. But now last 1 month or something, she got around 50,000 subscribers increased. Okay, and she every now and then, like say 1 week ago, 2 days ago, right? Every now and then, every week, she'll make sure, one or the other video getting posted on chemistry. She teaches chemistry here, online. Okay, apart from this, she teaches using, like say what, Zoom app and all. She teaches to the students directly. In that few classes, she is posting here. And she already having 4 lakh subscribers here. Right, so now if I actually go here, there's a platform called socialblade.com. You come here and put the channel name, channel code. If you mention it there, you will come to know how much revenue they will be making it. It's not exact amount I'm telling, but it's an estimation. Right, see, she makes somewhere around $300 to $5,000. That means what? 20,000 to 3.5 lakhs, in between that. How it depends is, like, Kishore or Ankababu is saying, right? It is actually depending on how many ads are playing in your videos. That is after reaching this threshold. And this is for how many days you should be completing it. In last 12 months, it should be completed. It's not like, this year you will take some 500 subscribers, then you will wait for next 1 year, then you will get another 500 subscribers. Not like that. In last 1 year, you should be getting, you should be reaching this threshold. Then you will become eligible for becoming a YouTube partner. Right? Arun, you understood?
Yeah, I understood. But normally, who will be editing these videos?
Again, see, if you know editing, you can do that. See, actually, I'm working on this. This is a farm, one of my friend's farm. So I taken some photos, videos, and all. So I started editing these videos. This is again for YouTube channel. They have a YouTube channel. So, right, natural farming. How to actually do plantation. Okay, so this is so if you want to recruit someone, you can recruit. You can recruit people, and you give them the videos what you recorded. They'll start editing that and give you.
Okay.
Right, but for anyone to post it, right, it doesn't need anything like that. If you see our YouTube channel, which I'm posting videos, I'm not doing any editing. But if I can do editing, it gets a better quality. But for us right now, what I need is you guys should learn things faster. That's why I'm not spending time to sit there and edit all the things. But if you guys interested, maybe Kishore knows about editing. Even Ankababu can edit. Right. So we'll be practicing that as well, right? So sorry. So if you see this one, this is what it is. And sorry guys, there's one more channel called, I think I shown this when I'm explaining about affiliate marketing. See this guy. He have 3.23 million subscribers. That means almost 3.2 crores, right? See, somewhere in the month, he makes around $1,600 to $25,000. That means if you take in INR, starting from like say 1 lakh rupees to 25,000 means what? Say $25,000 is around 15 to 17 or 18 lakhs in that range, right? $20 is like 14 lakhs change. Then $5,000 is again 3.5 lakhs. Yeah, 17.5 lakhs per month. In between that, so don't go lower, don't go higher, right? Or go in between. So he makes around 10 lakhs. Even if you take off of the amount, he can make 8 lakhs per month from YouTube alone, right? this is apart from the, what to say, I'll show you here. So this is a video, right? If I click on this video, one is, if he's a partner with YouTube, of course he's a partner with YouTube and they're paying him. Apart from that, he also makes the revenue from the affiliate. How? Where is this? Yes. See, Micromax in Note 1, right? If I click on this link, these many people are there, and that means 3.2 crore people are there, watching this video whenever he releases, right? In that, maybe 10% goes and buys this product, he makes money from there. This is what? Affiliate. So one is from the YouTube. One is from the YouTube directly he gets. This is after you become a partner. Second thing is from the affiliate process. Now, if you ask me, right, Prakash, do we need to wait until this reaches things? Not needed, right? The moment you start posting things, you start recommending people about affiliate products, right? Maybe books you recommend. You're teaching a subject, okay? Then you start recommending people about books after your video. Now, the video classes I shown, right? My cousins, I said, she's actually not doing that. If I take this video, right? So in this video, explained about crystal field. That's it. No information is there. If she can put actually keywords, all that things, she can get actually more results. See, that is called crystal clear explanation. Since 1 year trying to understand, but no, who knows that these 15 minutes would be enough, right? So there is so many people are giving a lot of good feedback. Okay, if she can actually take this as a next level, she has to take. She can actually simply put the comment section. She can put actually recommend some books, right? Something she can do. That is the second part. Arun, you understood?
Yeah.
Right. That is from the second part. That means you need not to wait for even reach 1,000 subscribers. Maybe you have 500 subscribers. It's okay. You start giving something useful there. If the person is not even subscribing, right, they also can see your video. It is not that only subscribers are seeing, right? So when a non-subscriber sees that and your affiliate link is interested for him, he might click on that and go ahead and buy, right? So that is the second part. Then there is something called sponsorship. Okay, now sponsorship means maybe now Bindu is creating cookies. Okay, she makes nice cookies, right? Now what she can do, she can actually approach you and say, Mr. Arun, can you actually recommend my product in your video? So whatever you teaching or conveying in your YouTube videos, maybe starting of the video or end of the video, you will talk about these cookies on their website, all the things you will discuss. So when you're getting 500 impressions, maybe she will say, okay, I'll pay you some X amount. So that's called sponsorship, right? So these many ways are there to make revenue. So if you see anything here, right, any YouTube channel which is popular, they are actually making like that only. They are not just making just from YouTube, guys. This guy having 3 crore people, the moment he posts something, right, 3.2 crore people actually watching that. That means this guy is more than celebrity. Right, you guys agree? If a new movie launches, you don't know how many people going to watch and all until you get that success rate and all, right? But here, it is like half of the population of each state, right? 3 crores means. Now imagine that this guy posts something, immediately he get that many people actually getting alerted saying that he launched something. He launched one video. See, now already this is July 20 today, guys, right? Already he reached 78,000 views. That means you've taken a movie, already you got like 80,000 people watched your movie. Right? So this is one. Second is, even if you don't reach this subscriber threshold, you can actually start sponsoring. One is affiliate, second is sponsorships.
Sir?
Okay, so that's how, yes, Bindu.
Yeah, view in the sense if they click and if they will not complete, they will not see the video completely, it will come under the view, or just clicking at also, it is also considered as view, sir?
Yes. If I watch this for, even for 10 minutes, this is 12 minutes, right? Even if I watch for 5 minutes, it comes in the view. But for him, there is a watch hour that will be calculated how many minutes I'm watching it. For example, if I'm watching only 5 minutes, for him, it will show these many users only watched this much time. Maybe you posted a video which is a 1 hour video. Okay, you posted a 1 hour video. Now 4 of us maybe watch 10 minutes each. Right, so your average watch time is 10 minutes and 4 people watch it, so it is 40 minutes actually completed of that video. That's it. But your 1 hour is 60 minutes, right? So 60 minutes no one completed, but your average watch time is 10 minutes and people watched only 40 minutes of that video. That's how they calculate. Right. So when I'm saying this 4K watch hours is, that's how it works. Now maybe you posted a 1 hour video. Okay. Now it should be watched by 4,000 people, right? For complete that 1 hour duration. Then only you are going to complete this 4K watch hour duration. I think Bindu, this is your question, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right. So people should complete that complete watch hour. So for this, what you need is, you need to work on few things, right? One is you should be like, sorry. You should be same thing, consistency. Right. Like say your quality, or what to say, how good is your content. That of course matters, but the first thing is consistency. Why? Because you need to make these guys to understand, like say what Google or YouTube, right? These guys follow some algorithm, right? Now if I'm posting every day something, right, like Monday morning 8 a.m, Tuesday again 8 a.m, Wednesday 8 a.m, like this, if I'm posting regularly, right, now YouTube knows, okay, this is someone is posting every day continuously, that means let me promote this video to people, because YouTube will start promoting your video. Why? Because if your videos are good and people are watching it, right, then they can actually publish their advertisements, right? You know how much they make every 2 weeks? They make around $1.65 billion every 3 weeks, I think. They make around $1.65 billion, right? That means what? More than 10,000 crores in INR they're actually making every 3 weeks. This is the price they bought YouTube for in 2008. Okay, I don't know, most of you might be knowing, in 2008 they bought YouTube for $1.65 billion, and today they're making it every 3 weeks, that same amount. 10,000 crores, they're just making it every 3 weeks. Okay, that much revenue they're getting it. So what is their main goal now? How much content people are giving, right? They will start promoting it for you. Why? Because if your content is better, if more people are coming to YouTube, then what happens? They can put more advertisements. If they're putting more advertisements, they're actually collecting more money from people. Right. I think, yes, we can actually complete this YouTube topic actually. So next question, guys. Arun, you are clear on this?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Right. So it is not just one way of making money. There are, like, you have multiple types. You need not to wait for, you reach 1K subscribers. Now
Actually,
the
what
main,
it is, there's a photo as well as there's 2 videos I uploaded in YouTube. There's one product. Actually, one is RO water and other is air bar. Okay. These two products, I didn't do any kind of audio. It's
Okay.
only video, and some music has gone. So I have seen is just only 12 people has seen this video.
Mhm.
That means no, I have to give my voice out there about the product.
No, when you uploaded it
I uploaded in last year.
last year.
Yeah.
So
Tax
you,
matters. Tax.
sorry, Kishore. Kishore, you talking to us?
Tax matters, sir. He didn't tag anything about the video, and keywords matters.
Exactly, right? So good, Kishore. So Arun, what Kishore is saying is when you
Yeah.
add some information, right, you should
Yeah.
give some keywords there.
Yeah.
Right now, you're talking about water purifier, right? Maybe
Yeah.
you have to go and find out about water purifier, what people are searching for.
Okay.
See, water purifier installation, water purifier for home, water purifier machine, vestige, business, fit tuber. So these are the different keywords. So you should use these keywords somewhere.
Okay.
And second thing is, even if you use these keywords, even Kishore, you also, I think you know this, even if I'm using keywords, right? Maybe first 2 days or 3 days, you'll get the traffic.
This
Okay.
is a title. There is a word saying title. That's where we have write it. Huh?
No, there's a title and there's a description.
Both are there.
So title, you have to see, you cannot add more than 2 or 3 keywords. You should not add in the title and it looks odd.
Okay.
Right. So maybe 1 or 2 keywords you can add, maybe in the starting and in the end.
Okay.
Right. See, if you see this guy, he's added this, my smartphone picks from rupees 10K to 20K. So this is actually keyword. Rupees 10K to 20K is a keyword.
Okay.
People are actually searching for.
Mhm.
Right. Then this is one more keyword, mid 2021 edition.
Okay.
This is one more edition. That means people are seeking for something new that is this year and in this budget. These are the actually 2 keywords he's using it here.
Okay.
Right. But when you actually go for description, here you will have, okay, let me see. About smartphone is keyword. Then mid-range smartphone is one more keyword.
Okay.
Right. See, pricing from rupees 10,000 to 20,000 is one more keyword.
Okay.
Right. So he's using something like this. So what happens? People, when they're searching for this mobile phones from rupees 10,000 to 20,000.
Yeah.
Right. When people are searching for mid-range smartphone.
Okay. Can I show you my screen like now what I'm doing?
Yes, you can.
Uh, yeah. Here. Can you see?
It's loading. Yes.
So the best commercial automatic RO water plant. This words are correct now for Google friendly.
Maybe yes.
And here I have given the description RO fully automatic water plant at commercial large quantity capacity per hour from so and so.
Yes. Right. So maybe you can talk about some benefits of that plant, how cost effective it is. Right. Something like that you can talk. Right. So this description is like our content now.
Okay.
Right. So when you're searching for this water plant you're talking about, so you can actually, yes, I think maybe you might wanted to give a best commercial, right? I think best commercial automatic RO water plant. I think. Okay. So you have to find out similar to this what people are actually already there, right?
Okay.
You have to go through that and see how they are titled it.
Okay.
Okay. So this is like now Bindu is making nice cookies, right? Now people are buying it from her. Now if I had to start that similar business, what I have to do? I have to go and study how she's actually making.
Okay.
Right. What are the techniques she's using to promote her business? If I know that, what I'll do, I'll try to clone similar thing
Okay.
and try to promote it. So if she's getting 100 sales per day, maybe 5 sales will come to me if I start following her methods.
Okay.
Okay, I think Jeff Bezos written a mail to you. Look at that.
Yeah. No, there's a news update about like Jeff Bezos has traveled. This.
Yeah, he's actually today is today only, right?
Yeah, today only.
Okay.
He wasted a lot of money, I think, just traveling there.
So that's what there's a competition between Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Richard.
Yeah.
Yep. So coming back to the topic, so yes, you can stop sharing the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you're making a YouTube channel, right? There are few people. I mean, not few. Even I did the small mistake. It's not small. Actually, it's a blunder. People think, okay, it's already late. It's already people are there who is having their own content, better than us. Like that. That's what we think. Right. So we should take out that from our mind. So there it is. You can say, right. This is myth 1. What is that? It is too late to start something, So we have to take this out from our mind. That feeling, right? When you say that it's already late for us to start, maybe it's a feeling is valid, but reason is not. We cannot compete, nothing like that, there. Because the people who are seeing some information about something from somewhere, if you can start giving from your side also, right? People will start following you as well. If the 100 people are following the other person, maybe 5 people will look at you. Right. So you might have seen a lot of shopping malls or, some nice restaurants, right? In one place, it is very famous and it's crowded always. So there is one more restaurant next to that. It is not that popular as good as this, but right. But few people are still there, right? You guys agree or not?
Yeah.
Right. That's what it is. So we should never, tell ourselves saying that no, we cannot compete. Right. Why people will watch us? So let us take that out. That is the myth 1. Then what is the second one? People think, we need a good gear for that. Right? That means we should have a better camera. Good camera, good gear, how to take a photo shoot and all, right? So again, this is the second part. There is no one started in YouTube with, everything on the top gear. Like there is a channel called Sanjit, right? The way he shoots, right? It's simple. He won't put any kind of, much highlights and all. Now, if there is a channel called this one, okay, this guy has like, see, 14.3 million subscribers. He goes to, interview Bill Gates. He goes to interview Elon Musk. These guys. You go and see his initial channel. Okay, let me show you. Sort by oldest. Okay. See the video when he posted in 2009. See, he just started showing something what he has. And today he uses this robo. See, he's using the robo camera to shoot the video. I mean, this is better than, our movie guys, right? It is better than, our movies directors and all directed thing, right? This is might be expensive than that. The studio what he has set up. Right. So when he started the channel, he just started with whatever he has. I'm talking about 2009. Now you see how many followers, like, 14.3 million subscribers he's having it. Okay, so second myth is having a, great, good quality camera. Let me learn how to do, the same question what Arun asked, right? Who is editing that? Don't worry about editing. Start, first start creating the things. Now in our session though, we'll cover the basic steps, right? So then the more you practice, the more you do, you can get the better things. Now, even if you see our videos, right? Few things the videos I'm uploading it, I'm not at all editing it. But you can see the first video, like how to Gmail, if your inbox gets full, how to clean it. You can see that video, right? It is decent, right? That is without experience. I just started, for one day I sat for 1 hour and it is done. It's a 2 minutes video, of course, right? So second myth is having great gear, thinking that, do that. Third thing is today morning we discussed, right? You need to know what your niche is, right? So just, don't look at that, thinking that, okay, we need to have a niche. Whatever thing you have in mind, just start putting it there first. Right? It doesn't matter whether you're teaching about cooking, whether you're teaching about personality development, or, or some academic subject. Don't think about that. Whatever you have, right? Just keep filming it. Okay, that's the third thing. Saying that, okay, we should pick we should have a niche. Now that Geeky Ranjit channel, what I'm telling, he actually talks about phones and all, right? He also talks about water purifier. He talks about, how to check your water, what to say, hardness, right? That also he talks about. So he talks about anything what he knows. He's not limited to only mobile phones and all. Laptop he talks about, right? Because he comes from the technical background, but he's not limiting there. For water purifier also he talks about in that. So if you put Geeky, see, it's already, people are searching for that. See, he got a water purifier at home. So he's talking about that. Not only he, there are many people. See, this guy is about technology. He talks about, mobiles and all. But he's also talking about smart water purifier. Okay. So again, don't limit that with, saying that, no, we have to pick a niche, then we'll start. Don't worry about that. First, start creating it. Next is, this is the one, right? Okay, this is my personal experience. You need to be a good speaker. Right? If you think like this, then, if you ask me, I'm very bad at, I don't know, maybe you guys have to give me feedback, whether, if I'm okay, or, I need to improvement, right? Maybe I'm doing some mistakes and all, you guys can give me feedback, right? So if I keep thinking
You are
about
a good speaker.
thanks, Arun, thanks. Okay. But if you ask me,
But I'm
right?
not good at it.
That's what, sir. That's the thing, right? Don't limit like that. First, start telling people, right? Then automatically will start improving. Why I'm spending time, so that I can improve myself now. Right? You don't believe. Right now, you guys are not in front of me. Okay. When I was working for hotels, right? I used to work for hotels. So when I was in Chennai and all, we in hotels, right? There is something called town hall meeting happens every month, right? What happens is all the staff and the entire management comes into one boardroom meeting, one hall. All the staff, like 300 people will gather in that hotel. All these 300 people will be sitting in front of the stage, and the GM of the hotel or the CEO of the hotel, right? He will be calling one by one. If I get to know that they are going to call me, right, onto the stage, I'll get disappeared from there. For next 1 hour, I won't be seen anywhere there. Okay, so I am actually stage fear I have, right? So
I
if you
still
guys are,
do.
sorry, Kishore.
I too have same.
So that's what, right? So we have that stage fear. The problem is, now Arun is saying, right? I'm, decent about while speaking, right? I mean, teaching about stuff. Now, if I can make that better, it can. But right now, our advantage is we are not seeing each other. That means when you're creating content, right, Arun, you're not in front of a person. So when I'm creating content, the user is not seeing us, whether I'm smiling, crying, or I'm a bad mood. Nothing. So it doesn't matter for me. So I'm just looking at the camera and start speaking. That's fine. But right now, our thing is you need not to get in front of camera also.
Yeah.
Sorry. So today you start explaining things. Tomorrow again you start explaining things. Now if I learn myself, right? I mean now I'm teaching you. I'm recording the session. So after that I'll go through how I'm doing it and all. I know there are a lot of words. I keep repeating it. Okay, so I'm still learning how to actually correct those things. In between I say like that, right? Those are blank spaces. I should avoid that. Using those. Passing for some time, thinking. Those sounds and all we should avoid. How will I know? Unless you guys have to give me feedback, Prakash, this is what you might be doing wrong or something, or I should listen to myself thinking that where I'm going wrong. That's all. So this is what the fourth one is. So don't wait. Bindu, you had the same question other day, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my voice might not be. So don't think of that. First, start doing that. I mean, start recording yourself. Did you do that sharing with Srikanth, right?
I didn't do, sir. Not it. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that's what we keep thinking. Okay, we'll do. That's called procrastination. So get out of that, thing, guys. So what is the next thing? We are scared to start, guys. Okay, why? Because when we are seeing some videos and all, they're very confident. When you're seeing people talking about explaining things, right? They are very confident to explaining, and we are already scared to start, right? So what will happen? That will actually make us step back. So just don't think of anything, these things. Like, okay, myth 5 is scared. Okay, there is a lot of other things. Maybe, time is not correct, or, like this, there are many excuses we'll tell ourselves. Okay, so with my knowledge or with my experience, I could have started, 3-4 years back. By this time, I could have like, solid followers. Right. So, we keep postponing things. We'll think, okay, we'll do it. So don't wait until then. You start filming yourself now, starting from today. You start filming yourself and send it to your friends, maybe who you are close with. Just start talking about 1 minute, 2 minutes, right? And start sending with them. See, today I'm getting up early, or today I got up at this time. I am start doing this. You just start sharing with your friends, right? Or you can share it with me. Take 2 minutes video and start sharing with your friends or family or whoever it is. Then do that for next 2-3 days. By the time you're already getting that what to say, um, enthusiasm, right? You'll be getting little comfortable in getting in front of camera, getting speaking in front of camera. You'll get that little comfort. Then we can go to the next level, right? So you understood, right? It is never late saying that we cannot start or something. Second topic is gear. Okay, this is not just camera, it's a gear. People think about I don't have a good place to start. Like this, people think, but there is nothing as such. You can start from wherever you are. Maybe. So there's this guy, he's just spent some 2,000-3,000 rupees and he started teaching people. Right? He put a one screen in the background. This guy. Balram. So his name is Balram. See these guys. He's in a home where walls are not that great. On the roof is not that great. But see that appearance of how he made. See how he's shooting. What kind of scenario? Hope you guys are understanding, right? This is how it is. And this Shelby Church, she's having yeah, she's already having 1.6 crore subscribers. And same thing, she started her YouTube channel very long back. Okay, videos sort by oldest. Emma, guys, 1 second. Huh? Yep, sorry guys. So if you see this channel, Shelby Church, you guys go and search. I think this is for Bindu and Aruna. Both of you go and search for this channel and go to her oldest videos. Right, then you will know how she started the channel actually 10 years back. Right, so this will be, giving you some simple examples. Right, so then thinking that, okay, we should first pick up a topic, then we'll talk about, don't worry about that. First start speaking what all you know. Okay, maybe you talk about your friends, maybe you talk about your favorite colors, something like that. Right, Ankabab, that's not for you, that's for the girls. Right, you can talk about photography,
Prakash, sorry for interpreting. See, whoever is interested in cooking, that is for them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'm just giving some points, right? You guys can pick any topic and start writing about that, creating stuff about that. Take a notepad, start writing. Okay. Now, if I see Ankabab, he already written about, stem cells. He started talking about these things. So like that, you pick your own passion and start creating your own brand now. That's all. Right. So going slowly, I'm not saying again, right? It's not an overnight journey, right? It will take time, but we have to build that starting with. Right, guys? So these are the 5 myths people actually have. Apart from this, there are many things. It's not the right time to start, right? Like this, people think of so much, but no, don't wait, guys. You guys need any support or something, I can help. But try to create that brand. That's what we are doing already with the social media. But since today Arun put a question, right? So we are able to cover this topic. It has a lot of other things actually I want to cover, right? Like say, what are the productivity tips, right? How to do actually, right? There is something called, you can steal ideas, guys. Okay, and it's an art. There is a book about that. I might share that book as well with you, right? Stealing an idea is an art. So steal ideas, right? When we're talking itself, we are talking about now Arun talking about the water purifier, right? Now just imagine how many places people are actually suffering with water contamination, right? Just imagine that. Okay, then you will get now all of you can steal Arun's idea, getting a water purifier, right? So that's a great topic. So like this, there is other things we'll discuss about that. But yes, I think we will conclude the session for now. Any questions, guys? Okay, Aruna, you're understanding what we're discussing? Tell me, Aruna. ఓకే వాచ్ అవర్స్ ఓకే సో వాచ్ అవర్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఈరోజు మేబీ ఒక 30 minutes ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ చెప్పావు నాకు ఓకే రేపు ఇంకో 30 minutes చెప్తావు సో నువ్వు ఓకే 1 hour వీడియో డ్యూరేషన్ ఉంది నీ దాంట్లో మీ ఛానల్లో 1 అవర్ సంబంధించిన వీడియో ఉంది. ఈ 1 అవర్ వీడియోని 4000 పీపుల్ వాచ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 4000 అవర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. 4000 పీపుల్ వాచ్ చేస్తే అది కూడా కంప్లీట్గా ఎంటైర్ 30 minutes ఐ హ్యావ్ టు మీ వీడియో నేను కంప్లీట్గా వాచ్ చేసి ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 4000 పీపుల్ వాచ్ చేస్తే 4000 అవర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. లేకుంటే 1000 పీపులే వాచ్ చేశారు, అప్పుడు 4 times వాచ్ చేయాలి వాళ్ళు. అంటే మీ వీడియో మీ 30 minutes వీడియోని మేబీ నేను 4 times చూస్తే అప్పుడు 1000 into 4 అప్పుడు 4000 అవర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇది కూడా లాస్ట్ 1 yearలో అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే, సో దిస్ బేసికలీ గైస్ వై యూట్యూబ్ పుట్ this kind of a threshold or rules is they want you to create content on a regular level, not like you will create it and leave the channel. Okay, maybe you created today one nice video, okay, 1 hour video you made, right? You automatically got like 100 subscribers came and already 1000 hours they watched it, your 10 times they watched your video, right? Again you forgot this channel for next 2-3 months. Again you coming back and creating after 2-3 months, so that's YouTube will not like it. Okay, for them what they need is regularly. So when you're posting something on regular basis, so you should not stop after 30 minutes. You should keep giving, or else you might get 4000 people watch your video, but you are not reaching this 1K subscribers, right? So you will not get eligible for that. So you should meet these 2 conditions. One is subscribers undali, second is 4000 వాచ్ అవర్స్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ అయి ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు పోయి మనకి యూట్యూబ్ అనేది వాళ్ళు మనకి అది పంపిస్తారు. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చి ఐ థింక్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఏదో వస్తుంది, లైక్ ఇఫ్ ఐ సీ దిస్ there is a video where she explains about where is it? See, 10 months ago she is having 3 lakh. In last 1 year she got 1 lakh subscribers extra. Where is that? See this one. So YouTube sends you this certificate for you. See, this happened in April 2019, right? Just I think 1 year before the lockdown, right? So she reached around 1 lakh subscribers. So this is what they sent, one letter and this kind of small gift kind of, this one, what do you guys call, right? Again, if you reach 1 lakh subscribers, again 10 lakh subscribers, 1 million, right? Then they'll send you again. Right, the same way so even this channel as you go through, I think you will find that where she actually unboxes that this one. See, this is 1 million subscribers when she reached. Okay, so ivanni eppudu vastayante once we reach this threshold first, 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. How we can reach? By giving something consistently. Okay, maybe మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు, ఒక సండే కూర్చునేసి ఒక 5 to 10 వీడియోస్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు ఒక రోజే. అవి 2 డే వీక్, కనీసం వీక్లీ 3 వీడియోస్ అని మనం పోస్ట్ చేయగలగాలి. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీ వీక్ అట్లీస్ట్ 3 వీడియోస్ మనం పోస్ట్ చేయగలిగితే బికమ్స్ స్టేబుల్, రైట్? ఎవ్రీ వీక్ అది పోస్ట్ అయిపోతూ ఉండాలన్నమాట. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే యూ విల్ గెట్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ 4000 అవర్స్, రైట్? ఫ్రమ్ ద సెకండ్ డే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇస్ యూట్యూబ్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ రికమెండింగ్ టు పీపుల్. ఎవరైతే సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నారో కుకింగ్ గురించి, వేరే వాళ్ళ వీడియోస్తో పాటు మీ వీడియోస్ కూడా అక్కడ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఇఫ్ యూ పిక్ ద కుకింగ్ యాజ్ అ టాపిక్, సో యూట్యూబ్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ డూయింగ్ వర్క్ ఫర్ యూ. మనం వెళ్ళి రికమెండ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉండదన్నమాట. మనం కన్సిస్టెంట్గా ఇస్తూ ఉంటే అది సరిపోతుంది యూట్యూబ్కి. ఆ ఆల్గరిథమ్స్ మనం పిక్ చేసుకుంటాయి. ఓకే, దీస్ గైస్ ఆర్ గివింగ్ రెగ్యులర్గా కంటెంట్ ఇస్తున్నారని చెప్పి మన కంటెంట్ తీసుకెళ్ళి చూపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. అంతేనా? ఇంకేం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? ఓకే, so guys, no more questions, right? Okay, fine. So these are the topics. I mean, you can write about, you can make an action plan or something. Yep, so I'll see you guys in the morning.
Thank you, sir.